This cannot get more good. I recorded almost 90% of the video, did not click record. Back with me for Goa. मैं ये वीडियो 90% ऑफ द वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर चुकी थी अभी जस्ट वहाँ पे धूप में खड़े होके, एंड दैट्स व्हाई यू सी आई एम लाइक फुल ऑन sweating right now. How dumb. Oh my god, how dumb. So I think we do this again. This is a very last minute trip and सारी bookings हो चुकी है, but in terms of packing, what clothes, what jewelry, what shoes, what everything I'm taking, ये मैंने बहुत last minute plan किया है. And today I have to leave today, literally already packing up, like in bag pack नहीं हुई है. So I'm kind of cool outfits, beach outfits and go out like restaurant, party. These sections में I have divided my outfits, and starting with the pool outfits. This bodysuit, then I have two more bodysuits. This, if you watched my other videos, you probably have seen this. And blue one I have. With these bodysuits, I'm going to wear these shorts. फिलहाल के लिए तो मुझे पूल के लिए इतना ही decide किया है. Because I think this will be enough. My favorite part, the beach outfits. So we have this top here. It's a halter neck situation. You'll probably understand it better when I wear it and show it to you. I'm wearing it with these shorts. So another beach outfit is this quad set. So this is the skirt, goes with this top. Look at this top. Now the third and my most favorite outfit. Let me show you this top. This, I hope you can see it. With this top with these long pants. This is not palazzo, but it's something and it has shimmer on it. So this is probably my most favorite outfit. So starting with the party outfits. This is the first one. Ye dress, long sleeves and it's off shoulder. Then we have this really cute dress. Now you see this, so pretty. This I'm going to pair with, if you adjust it from here, it also has slit from both sides. I'm not sure if that skirt is going to fit me properly, so I'm going to cover it up. So in case it doesn't, I'm going to cover it up with this belt and see if it works. Now I think all the main outfits are done, but I'm taking few extras. So this is the dress. It's a very simple dress, but it looks so warm when you wear it. So this dress, this is another dress. This is probably for the beach or the pool. So you tie it from behind and it's backwards. And there are a few tops that I'm taking. I had purchased this top, I don't even remember how many years ago, but it does fit. It's a corset type top. Then I have this cute top. Oh my god. Anyways, so these are the skirts. So these are the skirts that I might mean I'm taking, because extra. As you saw my outfits, I definitely need cover-ups in the sun, in the heat जो होने वाली है गोवा में. इसीलिए this normal linen white shirt, this goes with every single thing. This is another cover-up that I have. This is another cover-up I have. Long sleeves, and you can tie this in front. I don't know if I'm explaining this well, but you get it. ये जैसा मैंने वो दिखाया वैसा ही है ये भी, but this has collar, and again you can tie it in the front. This is a very beachy one. It's very long, and this crochet, is it called cardigan? It's pretty cute. These are the flats that I'm taking. We have these boots. मैं बहुत funny लग रही हूँ, I know. Anyways, sorry for the appearance. For the jewelry part, I'll show you only the specific ones which I love. These are the earrings that I'm taking. These are mostly chunky ones. Bracelets and bangles. My favorite part that I bought specifically for this. so pretty. It's a waist belt and it will, I don't know, it will go with most of my outfits, so I'm excited. This is something which you wear here. I forgot what it is called, but last but not least, we have these scarves which I'm probably going to tie like this. I think I have shown you most of the things that I'm getting. Bye.